Hi guys, salut tout le monde. I hope you're really well. J'espère que vous allez tous très bien. So today's video is okay, I don't want it to be negative. Je ne veux pas que ça soit négatif. I don't want it to be something negative. Je ne veux pas que ça soit quelque chose de négatif. But I want you to be careful. Je veux que vous fassiez attention. Faire attention, je veux que vous fassiez attention. So, I don't like it when you go to the hairdresser and they say, "Oh, where did you go before? Your hair is terrible." Je ne l'aime pas, ok? Effectivement, quand vous allez au coiffeur et quelqu'un vous dit où est-ce que vous êtes allé avant parce que vos cheveux sont terribles, ok? I don't automatically think professionally you need to criticize other people. Je pense pas je pense pas je pense pas que ça soit nécessaire. Je pense pas qu'il faille, if you were going to use a subjunctive of falloir, but that's a bit tricky. Je pense pas que ça soit nécessaire de critiquer tout le monde, okay? I don't think it's professional, okay? Je pense pas que ça soit professionnel. But I just keep hearing about really bad examples of teachers. Je continue à entendre des exemples, des mauvais exemples, ou des exemples des mauvais professeurs, ou des professeurs de mauvaise qualité. So, for example, I just worked today with a guy, I'm not going to mention any names, lovely guy, very capable, from Australia. Donc, je viens de travailler aujourd'hui avec un mec très capable, il vient de l'Australie, ouais, il est super sympa. And he had just finished 40 hours of italki lessons. Il venait de finir 40 heures de cours avec italki. Now, he's very capable and he's going to do really well. Okay? Il est très capable et il va s'en sortir. He's going to get out of it. But at the moment, en ce moment, even after 40 hours, même après 40 heures, the guy can't do or couldn't do the perfect tense, the imperfect tense, the present. Il pouvait pas faire le présent, l'imparfait. And I said, well, what have you been doing with this person? Qu'est-ce que vous avez fait avec cette personne? A lady I used to teach called Wendy told me the same thing. Une femme avec qui je travaillais, à qui j'enseignais, à qui je donnais les cours, qui s'appelait Wendy, elle me disait la même chose. She said, oh, I used to just read with this person. Je lisais avec cette personne. I'm not saying that your teacher needs to be French in origin or bilingual or grown up speaking both. Je ne dis pas que ce soit nécessaire forcément d'avoir un prof qui est d'origine française. There are plenty of teachers, no family connection, but there are plenty of teachers who have learned French. Il y a beaucoup de professeurs qui ont appris le français. And they're very good. Et ils sont très forts, très capables. Equally, there are lots of people who are French. Également, il y a beaucoup de personnes qui sont français who are useless, qui sont nuls. French education has its qualities, but the majority French education in France is very copy-paste. Yeah? L'éducation en français, la scolarisation est très copier-coller. Yeah? Very copy-paste. And that has a place. Et des fois, ça c'est important. For example, in primary school, often you will, you'll be given some poetry to remember. Donc souvent, en maternelle, on vous donnerait de la poésie. And that's great, to teach your brain to memorize, to teach your brain to remember things. But, so I keep hearing about all these people who are doing all these lessons and all they do is read. Je continue à entendre parler de toutes ces personnes et tout ce qu'ils font, c'est lire. If you are working with a teacher, I don't necessarily mean me, je ne veux pas forcément dire moi, but if you are working with a teacher, you need to be eyes up, face up, hearing the sounds. Si vous travaillez avec un prof, vous avez besoin de vous lever le visage, de regarder le monde et de parler. Okay? You cannot be head in a book all the time. I love books. Moi, j'adore les livres. I love writing. J'adore écrire. Yeah? J'adore l'écriture. I love, I like writing essays. I like marking essays. J'aime bien écrire des essais. J'aime bien des rédactions. J'aime bien les corriger. But this kid had done 40 hours. 40 hours. Ce mec, il avait fait 40 heures. Okay? It's just not cool. C'est vraiment pas cool, quoi. C'est pas bien, c'est pas bien. So what do you need from a teacher? Qu'est-ce qu'il vous faut? You need somebody who, before you start learning crazy amounts of vocabulary, avant de commencer à apprendre un tas de vocabulaire, you need to be making sure that your mouth is all in order and that you can say the sentences with a really decent accent. Vous avez besoin effectivement de vous rassurer que vous puissiez dire que vous avez besoin de pouvoir dire, de pouvoir prononcer les phrases correctement. Okay? You need to have a working knowledge of the tenses. Vous avez besoin d'avoir une connaissance des temps. Okay? The present, the past, the future. Le présent, le passé, le futur. Okay? The different pasts. Okay? Because there's several. Ouais, il y en a plusieurs. Before you start so he said, oh, we were just reading some articles from newspapers. On lisait des articles des journaux. Written French, particularly in journalism, isn't the same kind of thing as you would speak. I'm sorry, but it's not. Le français écrit, en particulier, par exemple, quand il s'agit du journalisme, ce n'est pas la même chose. Okay? It's much more complex. And there's a place for it, like we did yesterday for the advanced video with the review of Vampire. But it's not what you should be starting with. You need to be able to translate your own thoughts. Vous avez besoin de pouvoir traduire vos propres pensées. Okay? So if you are working with somebody and you are just reading, seriously, I don't mean to be horrible, but get rid of them. Yeah? Really seriously. Change teacher. Okay? What else should you be doing? What else should you be doing? You should be working with somebody who, if they find you have a particular weakness, they will keep going over that material. They won't go, oh, we'll come back to that at the end of term. Si vous avez quelqu'un, okay, si vous avez une petite faiblesse, il faut absolument que ce prof fasse la même chose jusqu'à ce que vous compreniez, until you understand. Okay? They need to change their method. Ils ont besoin de modifier leur méthode. I work with a guy called Mike, who I get on with fabulously. Really, really lovely guy. Moi, je travaille avec un mec qui s'appelle Mike, et je m'entends très bien avec lui. He's now the king of working out whether a verb is passé composé ou imparfait. Maintenant, c'est le roi de calculer, de savoir s'il s'agit d'un verbe à l'imparfait ou passé composé. This was something he found very difficult at the beginning. Ça, c'est quelque chose qu'il a trouvé très difficile au début. I just kept trying different ways, different gestures, different methods, different ideas, and now he's got it. J'ai continué à trouver des manières différentes, des gestes, quoi que ce soit, whatever it might be. And maintenant, il a bien compris, he's understood it. He's actually probably better than your average student for this. Okay? Il est plus fort qu'un étudiant typique. Likewise, I have a guy called John and I have a lady called Tess. Également, j'ai un mec qui s'appelle John et j'ai une femme qui s'appelle Tess. Their accents were disgusting. Leurs accents étaient mais dégueulasses, dégoûtants. Their accents are better than ever. They are some of my nicest speakers. Ils font partie des gens qui parlent bien. Okay? They were weak at the beginning. Ils étaient faibles au début. You need to insist on this. So there's no point somebody getting you to try and memorize stuff. If you leave the class with a load of work to do, that's lazy teaching. You're paying somebody to do their work. Si vous finissez les cours, okay, avec un tas de travail à faire, okay, vous êtes en train de payer quelqu'un pour votre travail. Okay? That's dumb. That is really dumb. Ça, c'est con. All right? So you need... Also, can you not make notes? Évitez de prendre des notes. Don't be writing down. Don't be making up lists of stuff to then go and revise. Okay? Évitez de dresser des listes, des choses à repasser quoi. you need to get it in the lesson. Okay? I don't mean vocabulary, that's obviously something you can revisit. Je ne vais pas forcément dire le vocabulaire, ça c'est quelque chose que vous pouvez revisiter. But what I mean is you need to be making sure that your mouth has really understood the words. Vous avez besoin de vous rassurer effectivement que votre bouche ait bien compris les mots. So what I mean is focus on your voice. Make sure the sentence is completely connected. And if you have a teacher who lets that shit go, let them go. Et si vous avez un prof qui vous permet de parler comme ça, ok, au revoir, ok. Il faut vous débarrasser de ces personnes. You need to get rid of these people, okay. Likewise and equally, I know that I'm slightly more dynamic than the average teacher. Je sais très bien que je suis largement plus dynamique qu'un professeur typique. I know that very well. Ça, je sais très bien. There are lots of teachers who contact me for my advice and my work, and I'm very proud of that. Il y a beaucoup de profs qui me contactent pour effectivement mon conseil, mon travail, et j'en suis très fier. But as a rough guide, so if you were working with me, lesson 1. Si vous travaillez avec moi, le premier cours, pronunciation, la prononciation, the present tense, le présent, using sound systems. The second lesson, le deuxième cours, l'imparfait et tous les autres temps, all the tenses in the second class, using my method, okay? Not visually, yeah? Not written down, the sound systems, les sons, pas à l'écrit. Third session is pronouns, le troisième cours, ce sont des pronoms. Then it's subjunctive, ensuite le subjonctif, then it's relative pronouns, les pronoms relatifs, and then it's everything about the word one in English. So basically, by the end of 6 hours, you're ready to start some conversation. Ayant fait 6 heures de travail, à la fin de 6 heures de travail, après avoir fait 6 heures de travail, vous êtes prêt à commencer une conversation. If you are, like this guy, 40 hours deep with a tutor, and you are still not speaking, what on earth are you doing? Si vous aviez fait 40 heures de travail avec un prof particulier, a private tutor, un prof particulier, ou privé, mais qu'est-ce que vous foutez, quoi? What the heck are you doing? All right? So, it doesn't have to be me. Il faut pas que ça soit moi. I can't teach everybody. I'm always open to applications, but, I can't teach everybody. Okay? But, just seriously, okay, mais sérieusement, I keep hearing about these people, and some people go, oh, you're quite expensive, oh, vous êtes assez cher. I will reduce years of study into a couple of months, okay? Moi, je suis prêt à réduire des années d'études en quelques mois. And a good teacher doesn't just know their subject, they know how to teach their subject. Okay? Un bon prof, il ne connaît pas que sa matière, il sait comment enseigner sa matière. That's the difference, okay? I'm not saying that French is some esoteric, weird thing that only I know. Je dis pas que le français soit quelque chose d'ésotérique, bizarre, qu'il y a que moi qui sait parler en français. Not at all. But what I'm saying is there are methods to get somebody to speak it. Il y a des méthodes, évidemment, il y a des méthodes, effectivement, pour aider quelqu'un à le faire, à le parler. So, just be really careful. Méfiez-vous, ok? Méfiez-vous. You would have been better off, vous auriez mieux fait, you would have done better, de work with an exchange, travaille avec un échange, find yourself a language exchange, trouvez-vous un échange linguistique, because at least that person isn't taking your money, okay? So, like I said, focus on your voice, okay? Focus on your voice, focus on grammar by meaning tenses, okay? Meaning tenses, meaning verbs, the bulk of the sentence, okay? You need somebody to do something with you, which is not just on YouTube. Vous avez besoin que quelqu'un fasse quelque chose avec vous qui n'est pas tout simplement en ligne. If somebody's just rehashing, if somebody's just representing stuff that is on the internet, what the fuck are they doing? Si quelqu'un est en train de présenter encore une fois le même matos, le même matériel qu'il y a en ligne, à quoi ça sert? You need someone who's going to drill with you. You need someone who's going to basically make you do the things you don't like doing. Yeah, vous avez besoin de quelqu'un, okay, pour vous faire des choses que vous n'aimez pas. And that's really important. Ça, c'est très important. It's like a lot of people in gyms. There's certain muscles that they like to work. Ce sont comme des gens à la gymnase. Il y a certains muscles qu'ils aiment bien travailler, quoi, faire travailler. And yeah, they don't do other muscles. So they're all bicep or they're all abs. Ils sont tous biceps, les abdos. You really need someone who knows this trajectory. Vous avez besoin de quelqu'un, okay, qui connaît ou qui connaît, subjunctive if it was hypothetical, cette trajectoire. All right, so I really feel strongly. I'm just tired of hearing about people who have spent hundreds and hundreds and hundreds on utter crap. So by all means, do it yourself. Bien sûr, alors faites-le tout seul. You know, my podcasts are there. Mes podcasts sont là pour vous. They're, you know, half price at the moment, à la moitié du prix normal. If you need a bit of instruction, si vous avez besoin d'un peu d'instruction, if you want a bit of advice but you're not going to do lessons, by all means contact me. Allez-y, contactez-moi. But just, you know, really seriously, some of these applications, really, I used to do this kind of agency work. Moi, je faisais un moment, en particulier au passé, je faisais partie de ces agences. I was part of these agencies. And I just was like, oh my God, the quality of this is just terrible. La qualité, c'est de la merde. You know, the agencies take a commission. Les agences y prennent un pourcentage. It's just not cool. Yeah, so really 100%, can you just be careful? Méfiez-vous, faites bien attention, okay? So I'm not being negative. It's absolutely fantastic. It's fantastic that that people want to do this kind of thing. C'est fantastique que les gens aient envie, subjunctive, aient envie de faire ce genre de choses. But just be a little bit, you know, just don't be afraid to do a sample lesson with somebody. I offer a sample 15 minutes. Yeah, I can't do a whole hour, I'm too busy. Je peux pas faire toute une heure complète parce que j'ai trop de travail. But I will work with someone quite happily for free for 15 minutes. Moi, je suis prête à travailler avec quelqu'un gratos, gratuitement, pour 15 minutes. Because they need to see the kind of the quality of the work that you're going to be, you know, offering them. Okay? Ils ont besoin de voir la qualité du travail que vous allez leur, offrir, quoi, accorder. So good. So in overview then, what have I said? Cast the net wide. Contact a lot of people. Say to them, normally how long will it take with somebody until I'm conversational? What is your plan? What will we do from week to week? Are we just going to be reading? No, you shouldn't be reading. Lift your faces up, listen to the sound, get yourself speaking, get your muscle memory in. Okay? Point number 2. Absolutely 100%. If somebody starts giving you, oh, here's a little bit of text and let's start reading this stuff. Now, I don't mind someone teaching you the reading rules. That's really useful. There's videos on here on the reading rules, but that is only purely a way to check your notes afterwards or to check tenses. But really and ideally, you shouldn't be using reading to find tenses. You should be finding the sound systems, all right? And so possibly the only benefit of learning a reading rule would be to then, so that when you read something like a conjugation online to check what you're doing, that you can pronounce that properly. But if you have a teacher that consistently has your head in the book, on the page, then seriously, get out of there, back out of there as quickly as you can. Yeah. Next thing, have somebody who will constantly bring what you're doing to life. Okay, constantly make it about yourself. Constantly change the vocabulary and the situation to what you want, the job industry that you're in, or the situation that you're training for. All right. If you are bored, it normally means you're not making fast enough progress. Generally, that's what I found. Nobody's bored in my class, let me tell you. They never yawn. They never yawn, all right? If you've worked with me and you sort of see what I'm saying, or if you've worked with me, but you've worked with other people before, donc si vous avez travaillé avec moi et vous avez déjà travaillé avec d'autres personnes, please write it underneath. Merci de l'écrire, okay? So that people can see what I'm saying. pour que des gens puissent voir ce que je suis en train de dire. Okay, I really want you. Now, this isn't me telling everybody that every tutor you've got to go and get rid of. But if you are 6 months deep with somebody and you're not talking comfortably, generally, you know, or you haven't been taught to find a simpler way of saying what you're doing, time to say goodbye. Really, 100%. So, yeah, this is discreet, c'est discret. I'm not going to quote the name of the person. Je vais pas citer le prénom de la personne. You know, and it really makes me happy. Ça me rend très content to be able to work with him now, de pouvoir travailler avec lui maintenant, because he's got talent. Il a du talent. But 40 hours of money and to not be able to manage tenses, my God, you know. So if you've had a bad experience with teachers, okay, if you've had a bad experience with teachers, private teachers, then please let us know about it, okay? Write underneath why teachers have worked for you, or why my methods have worked for you, or I presume if you're watching this video, my methods work for you. You know, write underneath what you don't like in a teacher. You know, as in, oh, they just made me do this, or they just made, you know, whatever. And if I think it's, okay, I could see what they were trying to do, but, you know, whatever, let me know. Yeah, let's really make it absolutely clear how you should be working, all right? Good. So, I'm not being mean, okay? Je suis pas méchant, okay? I like to support my colleagues. J'aime bien soutenir mes collègues. But seriously, enough. Basta. I've had enough of it. J'en ai marre. Basta does not mean bastard. It's from the Italian bastare, which means, or bastar in Spanish, which is to basically be sufficient, to be enough. Good. Here endeth the lesson. If you do want to look at the podcast, like I said, they're half price at the moment. If you do enjoy my content, then I am on Ko-fi. You can purchase me a coffee. I can't buy one just yet because the coffee houses are closed, but obviously I will as soon as this horrible period is over. Please keep washing your hands. Please take care of yourself, okay? Most of us will be okay. Please remember that. Try not to panic. And I will speak to you guys soon. All right? Take care.